Which of the following is a non-parametric test? Non-parametric. ठीक है. Non-parametric test means any test in which can be performed without the presence of parameter. Without the presence of parameter. माने any test in which I can do that test without me requiring value. Just we have studied in binomial na कि we need p, we need n. We have studied in normal distribution that we need x bar, we need mu, we need mu, we need sigma square. So we have studied these things, isn't it? So it is asking which of the following is a non-parametric test, a test which can be performed without the presence of parameters. Okay, A. Good. That is the correct answer. The correct answer to this question should be A. But can you tell me why? Anyone? If you can please tell me why would that be true? Why A is the correct answer? Why don't we need parameters in chi-square? So if you remember, F test is created out of chi-square only, isn't it? We had x divided by its degrees of freedom, y divided by its degrees of freedom, where x and y were chi-square distributed. तो ऐसा क्यों है कि F test is a parametric test, but chi-square is not a parametric test? Anyone? Very good. That is the correct answer. Chi-square has many applications, and one of its application that we have studied, absolutely correct answer. बेटा इसका एक application जो हमने पढ़ा है, that is independence of attributes, right? And in that independence of attributes, I don't require any parameter. So chi-square is one test which can be performed for qualitative data also. Right? Its application include things like what we have studied, like independence of attributes, where we are comparing actual and observed values. ठीक है, एक application ये भी था, where we are doing test of variance. But one application was also comparing actual and observed values. And in that comparison of actual and observed values, there was no parameter involved. It was simple formula. We were just doing the difference between the two, squaring it up, dividing by E, summing it over, and that was our statistic. Isn't it? There was no parameter involved. So in that sense, it is correct to say that chi-square is the only test which has few of its application where no parameter will be involved. ये बहुत important है समझना. It is the only test where no parameter is involved. So therefore, chi-square is in fact a non-parametric test. You're right. The correct answer to this question should be A. A is the correct answer. Good. Most of you have answered it correctly. Okay. Let's go on. Why not F? Because F just has one application, which is this. And here we were using the concept of variance. And that is the presence of a parameter. Variance is one of the parameters I require. So F doesn't have any other application. F just has one application comparing the variance of two samples. This part, testing the variance with the population, that is part of parametric test. But this part where we compare actual and observed values, where we are able to do a qualitative data test, that is a non-parametric test. There is no parameter involved. Observed and expected values ही तो है. No variance, no mean, no P, no Q value, no, nothing like that is involved, right? So F just had one application. But chi-square had those qualitative data applications also. That is why only chi-square. Okay.